we are going to go through your checklist first, and then I'm going to take you through these slides. We are going to try something new today that you guys have not done before. So I do not want to overload you with materials to do today. I just want you guys to kind of get the hang of how to do this because we're going to do it more and more in the classroom and then whenever we have to do online learning as well. All right, so the first thing you have to do today is you're going to do your reading game and then do 20 minutes on iReady Reading. You're going to complete a math slide and then do 20 minutes on iReady Math. You're going to watch a mystery science video, and then you're going to get on Google Classroom to practice your sight words for 10 minutes. And then for choice, you can get on 15 minutes of ABC Yacht or BookFlix. If you would like to get on more of this, you're more than welcome to. And if you would like to get on more of iReady Reading and Math, of course, you're more than welcome to as well. Okay, so we are going to go through the reading game because this is brand new. So once you get to slide number 2, you're going to press present right here at the top. Okay, I'm going to read these to you, and then when you guys play the game, you might have to go back and watch the videos if you need it read to you, or I'm sure your awesome parents will help you with this, okay? So it says, fact of the day, which animal can catch human colds and other illnesses, gorillas or penguins? And it says directions, answer each question correctly to earn a prize. Once you've earned 10 prizes, you will reveal the answer. Click the arrow to begin. So this is like a game. You are trying to get through all of this so that you can figure out what the answer is, okay? So you're going to press this green arrow. All right, and it says choose the noun from the sentence below. The duck went swimming. Is it went, duck, or swimming? And I'm going to show you, okay? If I press the correct answer, which is duck, it's going to say, hooray, you've earned your first prize. And then you can go to the next one, and it says, choose the verb from the sentence below. The child ran past the store. Is it child, store, or ran? Again, I'm going to click the correct answer. Actually, I'm going to show you what happens if I click the incorrect answer. So I'm going to click store. When I do that, it's going to say, oops, don't worry, you can try again. Click the B to fix your mistake, and then you're going to click the B. So then you're going to answer the correct one. I'm going to move on so you guys can see all the slides. But just so you're aware, whatever you answer, it's going to give you a prize if you answer it correctly. And then it's going to tell you to try again if you answer incorrectly, and you'll click that B. Okay. This slide says, I like to swim. You're going to pick the correct punctuation. If you get it correct, well, if you get it incorrect, you're going to see this slide. If you get it correct, you'll see this slide. And just so you're aware, you're always going to click those green arrows. I'm clicking down here so that you can see everything. Choose the word that completes the sentence. I learned bats in school. I learned by, for, or about. Which prefix would make the word mean to play again? Would it be unplay, replay, or deplay? Look at the list of words. Which category do they belong in? Blue, red, and yellow. Colors, clothes, or animals? Click the correct answer. My brother tries to annoy me by singing the same song in my ear. It makes me so mad. Bother, sing, or loud? Which one is the same as annoy? Bother, sing, or loud? I like to go to the park. Choose a sentence that is written correctly. I like to go to the park. I like to go to the park. Or I like to go to the park. So pay attention to the capitalizations, the periods, and the spacing, and click the correct one. Which word has the same beginning sound as bat? Cat, ball, or my? The same beginning sound. Which text feature is shown below? A photograph, a bold word, or a map? All right, and if we got it correctly, We're going to click to reveal our thing, and it would tell us our correct answer. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of this. So that's what you guys are doing for your reading game. You're going through those. Remember, you're clicking the green arrow, and if you get it correct, you'll see this slide, hooray. If you get it incorrect, you'll say, oops, try again, and you'll click on the B. All right. So for this math slide, you're going to circle the number needed to make 10 in each set. So we have 1 potato. So how many more would you need to make 10? You're going to take these circles right here and put it over the correct answer. So count your grapes. How many more do we need to make 10? Count the pancake stack. How many more do you need to make 10? Count the pepperonis. How many more do you need to make 10? Count the donut sprinkles. How many more do you need to make 10? And count the candies. How many more do you need to make 10? That is it for your math. Then you're going to come down here to Mystery Science. You're going to click right here, and it's going to take you to the Mystery Science video. Do not forget to do iReady Reading and iReady Math and work on your sight words on Google Classroom. If you guys have any trouble with this new reading game, please let me know. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and there are some really cool games that we're going to do with it. So I wanted you guys to try it today. I hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving break. I'm super sad that I can't see you guys before Thanksgiving, but I will see you as soon as we get back. Bye. Have a great Thanksgiving.